In TouchDesigner, there's a simple way to create this texture boards using a point grid and a Replicator COMP, also a proximity pop, to create line connections. If you're completely new to TouchDesigner, just comment "Guide" to receive an interactive starter kit with everything you need to learn about the program. Now let's dive in. I started by setting up the scene with a camera viewport, some lights, and a render top set to a vertical 720 by 1280 with a light gray background. For the source texture, I loaded a video, ran it through a fit top to ensure it fills the frame correctly, and ended with a null named text. To drive the animation, I'm using a radio button widget. I converted that signal with a math chop and smoothed it out using two lag chops, one for the motion and one for the camera. Now for the core logic. I used a pop network starting with a 3x3 grid. I fed that into a noise pop to get organic movement, linking the translate X to my first lag chop. Then, I connected a pattern POP to randomize the point scale attribute between 1 and 1.5. To create the geometry, I took a rectangle pop and fed it into a copy pop using the pattern data to drive the scale. A transform fixes the aspect ratio, and a texture map pop preps the UVs. I rendered this twice, once with a Phong material using our video texture, and again with a wireframe material for that topology look. For those connecting lines, I branched off a select POP into a proximity POP to draw connections between nearby points, rendering that with a clean white line material. Finally, for the labels, I converted the point data into a DAT table and sent it into a base comp. Inside, a replicator generates text tops dynamically. Back outside, I use that data to instance small rectangles, mapping their textures to the generated text. I linked the camera presets to that second lag chop. And there you have it, a perfect parametric system. See you on the next tutorial. I built this interactive guide to break down the core concepts of TouchDesigner, so you can nail your first project from scratch. It features step-by-step videos and concrete explanations, so you truly understand the software. Comment guide and I'll send you the starter kit.